Hi, this is Rebecca with RebeccasRoadmap.com, and I wanted to share a find with you. This is the professional Moleskine notebook that I actually found at TJ Maxx. I believe it's a past season because this color is no longer available on the website, and the adhesive tabs here are different on the current website. Now, I don't know about you, but I have been struggling with planning my projects in my planners. And I was trying to find something that would help with that when I found this notebook. So I thought it would be really great. It's got project planning pages, an index, perforated to-do lists, and then of course the adhesive tabs I've already mentioned. So if you are struggling with keeping your project plans all in one place, I think this would be a really great project for you. So I don't know about you, but I've got notes on projects and notebooks and in my planner, and just it seems like 5 different places, and I was really struggling with getting my projects done. I think this product will really help with that. So let me just show you the inside. This is sitting on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, so it's a little bit smaller than 8.5 by 11. I don't know what the size is actually. It is a hard cover. It's got the elastic to hold it closed. And this is just, you know, who it belongs to in case it's lost, which I don't think I'll actually take it anywhere, so I probably won't fill that out. A blank cover page. This is where you can list the content, so you can have a longer description and you can put the page number. And the pages are all pre-numbered, which I think is awesome. This is the project planning list, so you can have the project name, the date you started it, and any reference notes. There's a couple, 2, 3 pages of that. This is just a blank piece of paper that starts the actual project planning section. And these are the project planning pages. Now, according to the back, you've got these little symbols, the square, the triangle or the arrow, and the circle. According to the back, the square says, area for basic meeting notes, names, agenda, and then this kind of skinny list part says area for in-depth notes, key subjects, and then the large section says area for action points and next steps. So I think I'm going to use this a little bit differently than they have it set up. I'm going to put my project's name here, and of course the date that I started this. I'm going to put any key details here so I remember what the project's about, just like a quick reference of information, and also a due date if I have one. Then I'm going to make any kind of brainstorming notes here with any references that I found, in case I need to go back to a certain website or read a book. Again, I'll know what I need to go back to, and I'll kind of know the basic flow of the project and maybe any tools that I'm using. And then this small list I'm going to use for my action items. So I'm going to list out each single step that needs to happen with my project. So then when I'm doing my actual weekly planning, I can look at my projects and see, okay, I need to work on this project this week. This is the next action item on the list. So I can take that and put it over in my weekly plan and get my projects done, which is what I've been having trouble with. Great at coming up with ideas, execution, not so good at it. So I'm hoping that this tool will help me, and hopefully if you're struggling with project planning and action planning, that it will help you also. Now, let me just kind of flip through the rest of it. Basically, this whole book is the planning pages. And in the back, there is an index with the actual page numbers. And then we have these to-do lists, which are perforated. You can just rip that out and take it with you if you need to. I don't foresee myself using that and taking it anywhere because I kind of don't like to rip things out of books for some reason. And then we have a pocket in the back, and these are the tabs. This is a quality control sticker. And then this is the history of Moleskine in a gazillion different languages. So if you are struggling with project planning, maybe this is a tool that can help you. I'm hoping it will help me keep my projects organized and all in one place, so that when I'm doing my planning, I'm not forgetting about projects that I want to work on and projects that have a deadline that I need to accomplish by a certain date. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of thing, please subscribe to my channel. If you think this video can help someone, please share it with them. And as always, I really appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching my video. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.